As of Friday, November 6th, a statewide stay-at-home advisory has been issued to help curb the spread of COVID-19. This comes at a time when public health data shows that infection rates increased by 275% and hospitalization rates by 145% since Labor Day.
First, the Department of Public Health will once again issue a stay-at-home advisory. This time, the advisory will be in effect from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Residents should stay home between these hours, with exceptions like going to work or to the grocery store. I've also signed an executive order that will require indoor recreation facilities, theaters, casinos, and virtually anything else that's open that's an entertainment venue to close at 9:30. It will also require restaurants to stop providing table service at 9:30, but they can continue to provide carryout. It will also shut down liquor sales at restaurants and at grocery stores and package stores and convenience stores at 9:30 p.m.
A total of 16 business sectors, facilities, and types of activities must close between 9:30 p.m. and 5 a.m. Specified businesses are required to close at the given time to ensure that residents are home by 10 p.m. in compliance with the stay-at-home advisory. Billy Lyons, managing partner of Monotony Grill and Tavern, had this reaction to the announcement and how it will affect his late-night eatery business.
Nothing shocks me at this point, but it was disappointing, and it will affect our business because we do the bulk of our business nowadays in the COVID world on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So to not be able to serve people after 9:30 will certainly hurt us.
Gatherings held in public spaces and event venues are also required to end by 9:30 p.m. Additionally, under the new changes, indoor gatherings at private residences may not exceed 10 people. Outdoor gatherings are limited to 25. The new order also requires organizers of gatherings to report any COVID-19 cases to the local health department in that community and cooperate with contact tracing. I asked some Arlingtonians about how they feel about the changes.
I think evening curfew is a common sense measure to help prevent the spread of COVID. I'd much rather see bars and nightclubs closed and schools open. I'd like to see the town and state doing more to make sure that students can pursue their educations in an environment that allows for learning, not from home and not using computers that sometimes work and sometimes don't. So to me, as part of a broader picture, certainly closing down on places where there's a spread in the evening makes sense, and I'd like to see more opening in classrooms.
I think it's unfortunate. It's certainly impacting business, but we also are faced with something in the coronavirus that we don't know how to deal with it. It's so many unknowns that I think he feels he's acting on the best interest of the citizens of the Commonwealth. I don't necessarily agree with it, but I don't have a better answer.
Governor Baker also issued a face covering order requiring all residents over the age of 5 to wear a face covering in all public spaces regardless of social distance. For more information, visit mass.gov to learn more about the state's efforts in fighting the spread of the coronavirus. For ACMi News, I'm Anim Osmani.